So I was at Five Below and I found these. Like they're kind of like Game Boys. So we're gonna open it. I don't know where to put the phone, but we're gonna open it. We're gonna open it. So I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, my grandpa already opened it for me. But we found them at Five Below. They're only $10. But 200 game, rechargeable battery, easy to carry. We can connect this to the TV. Okay, so here's the charger. I think it's a charger. Yeah, Gameboy itself. Hallelujah, hallelujah. It's not a Game Boy, but it turns on. Well, how do I turn it on? Okay. There's two. Look how much games there is. So there's one called Turtles 1. Ninja 1. Oh my god, I love this. Here. That's right there. And you can connect it to the TV. So kind of like the Wii, but and the Game Boy. I'm gonna play this game called Turtles 1. How do I select my game? I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a Ninja Turtle! I'm Leonardo! Look, see? Oh, never mind. A Raphael hook. Raphael. Oh, wait. That's Donatello. This is Donatello. Oh my god. The Ninja Turtles. Okay, but bye.